Dr. Carroll, let's talk a little bit about sex addiction. Now, we have to have sex. It's normal. So how can that be an addiction?
That's a great question. Sex in and of itself is not addiction. It's about the behaviors that become addictive. So sex, like anything else, like gambling, like the behaviors around doing drugs, like shopping and texting and all the other things that we can become addicted to. That's what we're addicted to. That's where the addiction comes in. So when it's obsessive, compulsive, out of control behavior done in spite of negative consequences to self or others, then it's addiction. And those negative consequences have a lot to do with the disconnect from the people we love and that spiritual deficit, that lack of connection to a higher power, to God, to the universe, however you want to frame it. When you're doing something that puts a barrier between you and everything, then it's addictive. And when it's obsessive, compulsive, and out of control, we can't control it, so that's addictive. So having a warm, intimate, loving sexual relationship with someone is not addictive. And that's something in a completely different ballpark than compulsively masturbating to pornography on the internet, or compulsively going out and picking up prostitutes, or compulsively cruising bars, or compulsively sexting, or compulsively doing anything. That's addictive sexual behavior, and it's not a judgment on anything people do. It's when it's obsessive, compulsive, and out of control and done in spite of negative consequences that it's addictive. So I want to be clear there. People can do anything in the context of it being in a relationship. But sex addiction is not about relationships. It's about non-relationships.